Hello guys, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will show the radio button example. So radio button example is, at first we need to set the tag radio group, and under radio group side will be radio button as like radio group, the wrap content ID as like radio group gender. And gender, there are two options, one is male, one is female. So this is radio button. You can set the id radio male, and we can set the text is the male, and we can copy this, and this is female, and set the text female. So now we will get the radio button below. When click the radio button, we get the below who is one selected, male or female. So now it will get from the button the content. We set the button id btn set the button text, get radio button below. We can get it from activity. Go to activity. At first we need to get the button and radio button. Radio button male, no, this is we need to get the radio group radio group find by dot id dot radio group gender, and then define the button equal to find by id dot btn button dot set on click event listener new on click event listeners. Now we will get the radio group select option is integer selected ID radio group gender dot get selected button ID. Okay, get selected button ID. Selected button ID. We can get you can set the another. We can define here the radio another one radio button radio button equal to radio button find by ID is equal to selected ID. Okay, then we can get the radio button below. We can display it toast dot make toast this radio button dot get text say the auto parameter is toast length. Finally we can call the show method of toast the main activity dot this. Okay, now we can see our output. Here is our radio button example as two option. One is male and this female. Select the male. When click the button, this show the male. When we click the female, we get the below. This showing the female. So this is our radio button example. When radio button defined is main tag is radio group. Under radio group tag child view is radio button. Multiple radio button only check one option. Thank you.